You lightly go over your carving. Any places that look a little dug up, you can clean them up. And again, brush it off. If you are going to use sandpaper, like I said, I recommend definitely brushing your carving off a lot, hitting it with the air, something, before you go back and put your knife to it or any tools, because it will dull your tools after you sand if you leave that grit from the sandpaper on the wood. And there we go. There we have our very first wood spare face, and we did it all with hand tools. So I'm hoping that you guys like this video. Hope you learned a little something. We'll get better wood and we'll do more advanced techniques and stuff. You know, a lot of people request just hand tools. So let's see what he looks like here. We'll take him out of the vise. We'll hold them up and away. He's got pretty decent profile. He's got a nice little beard. You can see his detail from all angles. So that's our wood spirit we made with just hand tools. That's the video for today, guys.